All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at the ancient Greek remedy oil moisturizer. Now, I absolutely love this stuff. Right here, we've got it in a sprayer bottle, which is really nice. And this is gonna be a very oily substance. You can see what it looks like here. This is way different than your traditional moisturizer or lotion, and I love it for that reason. At first, it's a little bit weird because, you know, it's got that oily texture to it, but it's nice because you really could put this all over your body. I use it on my hands, my elbows, my arms. It's really good for places like your cuticles or anywhere else that's really dry. You could also put it and use it as a hair mask as well. I like putting it in my hair, on my beard, and on my face as well. You're gonna get a lot more moisturizing out of this than you would a traditional water-based moisturizer. And this one right here is gonna be unscented, so if you don't like scents, then this is a good option for that. So if you're looking for a different type of moisturizer that you could use all over your body, something that is oil-based, very clean ingredient list, then this is the one that I would recommend.